Greasy mitenand. For tonight's dinner, Schlarraffenland is going to show you how to make sweet and sour pork, another Chinese classic that is beloved by all Americans. This dish is a festival of flavors, tangy, sweet, and utterly irresistible. So, are you ready to taste this famous pork? Then let's roll into the kitchen and cook ourselves some swines, shall we? First, let's slice 300 grams of pork neck into elongated strips like we do here. This will help the pork soak up your marinade like a charm. Now, the pork is all cut up. Then let's give it some flavor with 1 teaspoon of garlic salt and 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce. Gently massage this into the pork. Let it sit for a minute. Next, add an egg into this mix. The egg is the key to a silky, tender texture. Mix everything well and let it rest and absorb all the flavors. While waiting for the pork to soak up the flavor, let's cut 1 onion into thin slices. Also cut 2 bell peppers into bite-sized pieces. You can use any color you want. Once the veggies are done, we can start preparing our sauce. Mix together 4 tablespoons of ketchup, 4 tablespoons of brown sugar, 3 tablespoons of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, and 30 milliliters of water. Stir it well until everything's dissolved. Okay, the pork is well rested enough. Now let's give it some crunch. Add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour into the pork and mix it evenly. You can add some water to help with the distribution. Then, in a separate plate, spread out 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. Take each piece of pork one by one, roll it into the cornstarch so it coats the entire surface of the pork. Once you're done, then it's time for frying. As usual, you're going to double fry it because 2 fries is always better than 1, especially for the American palate. For the first fry, heat up a lot of oil in a pan, enough to deep fry the pork. The oil should be about 160 degrees Celsius. One pro tip, take a piece of bell pepper and put it in the oil. If it starts sizzling, then the oil is ready to fry. Once the oil is heated, gently add your battered pork in there and fry for 8 minutes. Once done, take the pork out and let them rest on the paper towel to absorb all the oil. Now, for the second fry, you need higher temp, so go ahead and heat the oil up again to about 204 degrees Celsius. Once it reaches that temperature, add your pork back in. This time, you only fry it for about 1 or 2 minutes for that extra crunch. After the second fry, also let the pork rest on a paper towel to absorb the oil. We're almost there. It's time to bring it all together. Pour the oil out. You can use the pan again for the sauce. Add your veggies into the pan and stir fry it for about 2 minutes. Next, come your sauce. Cook the sauce with the veggies until the sauce is reduced to a nice sauce consistency. Finally, you can add your fried pork and stir fry everything together for about 2 minutes. Remember, mix it well so the delicious sauce can coat every nook and cranny of the pork evenly. Your pork should be ready for your tummy now. You can just eat it like it is, but this is still an Asian dish, so it's natural to have rice with it. We're making here a very simple egg fried rice, but if you want to be extra, please check out our mouth-watering garlic fried rice or kimchi fried rice right here. Links are also in the comments. And voila! There you have it, your very own sweet and sour pork with golden egg fried rice. This going to transfer you directly to the bustling Chinatown in the middle of San Francisco. It's perfect for impressing guests or just treating yourself to something special. And remember, if you've enjoyed this culinary journey, don't forget to like and subscribe for more delightful recipes. And now, all that left is Engweta, bon appetit, itadakimasu, mời cả nhà ăn cơm, and dig in!